What is going on, guys? This is Chad. Thank you for watching another Is That Chad Honda Reviews video. Today we will be demoing the sensing package, and the car we'll be doing that in is this 2018 Honda Accord Touring. So in this video we'll be just taking a test drive and showing you guys the specifics and exactly how all of the sensing package works and operates and all of that. So let's start by getting it turned on. So now, like I said, this is the 2018 Accord that I'm going to be turning all this on. Now, a lot of the cars have the sensing package. You just turn it on in different ways in some cars. So let's go ahead and let me show you guys this. So down here you'll see this button here. So we're going to go ahead and select it. Now once we select that, we're going to see this come up on our dash on the left hand side. Now, using the scroll bar down here on the steering wheel, we're going to scroll through and then just select the ones and make sure they're all on. They're all on right now, as you can see. Road departure mitigation, blind spot info system, collision mitigation braking system. So we'll go ahead and exit that. Next, we'll go ahead and look and ensure that our cruise controller is on, and it is. As you can see right up there at the top in the middle, you see the ACC and the LKAS. That's the adaptive cruise control and the lane keep assist system. Now, our adaptive cruise control in this Accord has low speed follow as well, which I'll be showing you. Now, to turn those on, it just works with the cruise control. You just make sure you have the cruise control on by hitting main right here. You can see when I hit that, it all turned off up there. So go ahead again, turn it back on. There it is. Now I'll go ahead and hit this button here to select what distance I want to follow that car in front of me. Now I'm going to select the closest distance. If you guys go back and watch the last video I made where I just explain all of the sensing package, I told you guys why I like this closest setting. So go make sure you like that video and go check it out. Now I'm going to go ahead and select this button here to make sure our lane keep assist system is on. And now it is. I'm on my closest setting. Now we're ready for a test drive. Guys, before I test drive this car, make sure you go ahead and give my channel a subscribe. Make sure you like this video. Comment any questions you guys may have, or any comments, any improvements, just whatever you guys have. I do look at all those comments, so reach out to me on there. Otherwise, let's go ahead and jump into this thing. Alright guys, as I'm back on the road, you can see I'm set cruise control at 68, but I'm not going 68. Now as that car in front of me slides over, I start to increase my speed as well. Now watch, I'm going to go ahead and get behind this car. You can see my foot is not on the brake at all, but you can see I did slow down to 62 miles an hour to keep that distance and the same behind that car in front of me. Watch, I'm gonna go ahead and get back out from behind him, and you'll see me speed back up to this 68 miles an hour. There we go. And now that it's not registering that car, it speeds back up to 68. Alright, then the lane keep assist. So now that we're on a road with good lane markings, if I were to leave the lane, it'll pull me back into the lane. Let's see. You can see right here, that's not with me steering. I'm not steering at all, and it is keeping me centered in the lane. You can see as I approach that car, my speed decreases as I approach the bus. Once again, my foot is not on the brake or the gas, and the car has stayed this distance and stayed in the lane. As we approach this corner, you can see there's a car in my blind spot, so we have the light on there. You can see the car's kept me centered in the lane. Let me know there is a car there. It kept me going the same speed behind this car. Okay, and there we go. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this next exit. We'll see if this bus takes the exit, and I can show you guys this thing going all the way to a stop. Doesn't look like this bus is gonna exit. So guys, that is the sensing package on the car. Now all Accords are gonna come with this sensing package. So make sure you go take one out for a test drive. Make sure you like this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more content, and I will see you guys in the next video. Let me know in the comments what I can do, what next videos I can make, and how I can improve the videos that I do make.